Have you ever looked in the mirror and wished those extra pounds would disappear? Do you feel frustrated by diets that promise big results but leave you hungry and discouraged? Are you tired of counting every calorie or feeling like food controls your day? If this sounds like you, you're not alone. Losing weight can feel like a constant battle, but what if there was a simpler way to reach your goals without complicated meal plans? Today, we're exploring two powerful strategies: intermittent fasting and OMAD meal a day. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know what these methods are, how science shows they help with weight loss, and how to start using them to transform your health. Let's get started. Section 1. Why weight loss is so hard. Let's be real. Weight loss is tough. Maybe you've tried cutting carbs, going keto, or hitting the gym hard, only to see the scale stay stubborn. Or you've lost weight, only to gain it back the moment you stopped following a strict plan. These struggles aren't your fault. Our bodies are wired to store fat for survival, a trait from ancient times when food was scarce. Today, with stress, processed foods, and constant snacking opportunities, staying on track is harder than ever. A 2017 study in Perspectives on Psychological Science found that modern environments promote overeating and make weight loss challenging, even for motivated people. The good news? You don't need to overhaul your life to lose weight. Intermittent fasting and OMAD work with your body's natural rhythms to burn fat, curb hunger, and simplify eating. Backed by research, these methods have helped millions achieve lasting weight loss. Let's dive into what they are and how they work. Section 2. What is intermittent fasting? First up, intermittent fasting. If you're picturing starvation or a trendy diet, relax, it's neither. Intermittent fasting is an eating pattern that focuses on when you eat, not just what you eat. You cycle between periods of eating and fasting, consuming no calories during fasting, just water, black coffee, unsweetened tea, or other zero-calorie drinks. During eating periods, you enjoy meals, ideally nutrient-rich ones to fuel your body. Intermittent fasting comes in several forms to fit different lifestyles. The most popular is the 16-8 method. Fast for 16 hours, eat within an 8-hour window. For example, eat from noon to 8 p.m., then fast until noon the next day. The 5-2 method involves eating normally 5 days a week and limiting calories to 500-600 on 2 non-consecutive days. Alternate day fasting means fasting every other day, while the warrior diet includes small amounts of raw fruits and veggies during the day and one big meal at night. Why does intermittent fasting work? Fasting depletes your body's quick energy, glucose, and shifts to burning stored fat. It also lowers insulin levels, signaling your body to release fat. A 2019 review in the New England Journal of Medicine found that intermittent fasting led to 8% weight loss over 12 weeks, improved blood sugar, and reduced inflammation. Another study in Translational Research, 2016, showed it boosts metabolism by increasing norepinephrine, helping you burn more calories. Beyond weight loss, intermittent fasting may improve brain health and heart health, with animal studies suggesting longer lifespan. Section 3. What is OMAD? Now, let's talk OMAD and meal a day. Think of intermittent fasting as a warm-up. OMAD is the main event. OMAD is an advanced form of intermittent fasting where you eat all your daily calories in one meal, typically within a 1-hour window. For example, you might have dinner at 6 p.m., then fast until 6 p.m. the next day, drinking only water, black coffee, or tea in between. OMAD maximizes intermittent fasting's benefits. The extended 23-hour fast keeps your body burning fat longer. It also simplifies calorie control meal, makes it easier to stay within your calorie needs. A 2018 study in Nutrition and Healthy Aging found that time-restricted eating, like OMAD, reduced calorie intake by up to 20% without conscious effort, driving weight loss. OMAD also saves time and promotes discipline as you focus on one intentional meal. Many users report mental clarity and a healthier relationship with food. OMAD can be intense, especially for beginners. We'll cover how to ease into it later, but for now, know it's a powerful tool for fat loss and simplicity, backed by science for those ready to commit. Section 4. How intermittent fasting and OMAD drive weight loss. Why are intermittent fasting and OMAD so effective for weight loss? Let's break down 3 key reasons, with research to back them up. First, they create a calorie deficit effortlessly. Weight loss requires burning more calories than you consume. By limiting eating time, intermittent fasting and OMAD naturally reduce calorie intake. Skipping late-night snacks or mid-morning treats during fasting can save hundreds of calories. A 2020 meta-analysis in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that intermittent fasting led to 4–10% weight loss over 4–8 weeks, largely due to reduced calorie consumption. OMAD simplifies this further: one meal minimizes overeating. Second, fasting enhances fat burning. When you eat, your body uses glucose for energy. During fasting, glucose depletes, and your body enters ketosis, burning fat. A 2021 study in obesity showed that intermittent fasting participants lost more fat mass than those on standard diets, even with similar calories, due to prolonged fat-burning periods. OMAD's 23-hour fast extends this, amplifying results. Third, fasting regulates hunger. Surprisingly, fasting can reduce appetite over time by balancing hormones like ghrelin. A 2019 study in clinical nutrition found that intermittent fasting participants reported less hunger after 2 weeks as their bodies adapted. Larger, nutrient-dense meals during eating windows also satisfy longer than frequent snacks. OMAD users often feel full after their meal, reducing cravings. Practically, these methods are flexible. Adjust eating windows to your schedule. They're affordably no-costly supplements. And they're sustainable, allowing favorite foods within calorie limits, making adherence easier, as noted in a 2022 Journal of Obesity review. Section 5. Challenges and solutions. Fasting isn't always easy, especially early on. Here are common challenges, with research-based solutions. Hunger is the biggest hurdle. Cravings hit hard if you're used to frequent meals. A 2018 study in appetite found hydration reduces perceived hunger during fasting. Drink 8–10 cups of water daily, plus herbal tea or black coffee to curb cravings. Distract yourself with activities like walking or reading. Hunger often fades within days as your body adjusts. Low energy can occur, especially initially, due to blood sugar dips. A 2017 Journal of Translational Medicine study recommends balanced meals with protein, fats, and complex carbs like chicken, avocado, and sweet potato to stabilize energy. Get 7–8 hours of sleep to support adaptation, as poor sleep exacerbates fatigue, per a 2019 sleep study. Social situations challenge fasting. Brunch during your fasting window? Shift your window if possible, or sip water, tea. A 2020 health psychology study found social support boosts diet adherence, so share your goals with friends. OMAD's unique challenge is fitting all calories into one meal, which can overwhelm or lead to nutrient gaps. A 2019 nutrient study stresses nutrient-dense foods: lean proteins, veggies, whole grains, healthy fats over junk food to ensure satiety and nutrition. Eat slowly and chew well to avoid bloating, as digestion improves with mindful eating, per a 2018 BMJ Open study. Fasting isn't for everyone. Pregnant, breastfeeding women, people with diabetes, or certain conditions should consult doctors. A 2021 diabetes care study warns of risks like hypoglycemia in diabetics. If you feel dizzy or faint, eat health comes first. Section 6. How to start intermittent fasting and OMAD. Ready to try intermittent fasting or OMAD? Here's a research-backed guide to start. Step 1. Start small. A 2020 Nutrition Review study suggests gradual fasting increases adherence. Begin with 1,212 hours fasting, 12 hours eating, e.g. 7 a.m., 7 p.m. After a week, try 14, 10, then 16, 8. Build up to OMAD if desired. Step 2. Choose your method. Pick a style suiting your life. If you skip breakfast naturally, try 16. 8. Prefer structure? Go 5. 2. Experienced and want simplicity? Aim for OMAD. A 2019 Annual Review of Nutrition study found personalized fasting schedules improve success. Step 3. Prioritize nutrition. A 2021 nutrient study recommends 25–30% protein, 30–40% healthy fats, and complex carbs, veggies for satiety. Example: salmon, olive oil, salad, quinoa, berries. Nutrient-dense meals prevent deficiencies. Step 4. Hydrate. A 2018 Frontiers in Nutrition study links hydration to fasting success. Drink 8–10 cups of water daily, plus unsweetened teas or coffee, to combat hunger and fatigue. Step 5. Track progress. Log fasting hours, meals, and feelings in a journal app. A 2020 Journal of Behavioral Medicine study found self-monitoring boosts weight loss. Weigh weekly, but track waist or photos for non-scale wins. Step 6. Be flexible. If you eat during fasting, resume the next day. Shift windows for events. A 2019 health psychology study shows flexibility prevents dropout. Step 7. Seek support. Online communities like Reddit's Intermittent Fasting or OMAD groups offer tips. A 2021 social science medicine study found community support enhances motivation. Section 7. Tips for long-term success. Make intermittent fasting or OMAD sustainable with these research-backed tips. Listen to your body. A 2020 Journal of Clinical Medicine study advises adjusting fasting if overly fatigued. Shorten windows or add snacks if needed. Vary meals. A 2019 nutrient study warns repetitive diets risk boredom and deficiencies. Try stir-fries, chilis, or new recipes to stay engaged. Stay active. A 2021 Medicine, Science, and Sports exercise study found 30 minutes of walking, yoga, or strength training most days boosts fat loss. Exercise during eating windows for energy. Manage stress. High cortisol hinders weight loss, per a 2018 psychoneuroendocrinology study. Use meditation or journaling to relax. Set realistic goals. Aim for 1–2 pounds weekly, per 2020 The Lancet guidelines. Celebrate non-scale wins like looser clothes, per a 2019 Obesity Review study. We've covered intermittent fasting and OMAD, what they are, how research proves they burn fat, and how to start. These aren't quick fixes, but science-backed tools to simplify eating and lose weight. You can start today, no cost. Challenge. Try one step this week: skip breakfast for a 12-hour fast or plan an OMAD meal. Consistency wins. If this helped, thumbs up and share with a friend. Comment. Are you trying intermittent fasting, OMAD, or curious? Subscribe for more health tips. Thanks for watching. Here's to your journey. You've got this.